In this video, we're giving an honest review of Clearview AI, a facial recognition technology company that has raised major privacy and ethical concerns. Founded in 2017, Clearview AI created a tool that collects publicly available images from the internet to identify individuals, primarily marketed to law enforcement agencies. The company claims its technology has helped solve numerous criminal cases. Clearview AI offers advanced facial recognition with high accuracy and has been used by law enforcement to identify suspects. However, the company has faced criticism for scraping billions of images without consent, resulting in privacy concerns and multiple legal challenges. Notably, it was fined €30.5 million by the Dutch Data Protection Authority, and in the US, it reached a class action settlement valued up to $51.75 million. Ethical concerns include lack of consent and the potential misuse of the technology for unauthorized surveillance, doxing, or suppression of free speech. While Clearview AI provides powerful tools for identification, its practices highlight serious risks to personal privacy and civil liberties. Overall, Clearview AI is a technologically advanced platform, but users and organizations should carefully consider the privacy, legal, and ethical implications before engaging with it. If this review helped, make sure to like and subscribe for more honest tech and privacy insights.